Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, I'm excited about today's video because I have a product that has solved all of my problems. As a content creator, I have heaps of cameras. I have my big Canon camera here that I'm using right now. I have Insta360 cameras, I have DJI cameras, I have GoPros, but my problem is that I don't have one system that I can use that crosses over all of those cameras until today, and that is the PGYTEC Cap Lock system. Now, this system is absolutely amazing. You can get so many accessories with this, and they all interchange with each other. And I mean, they all interchange with each other. So let's go through and let's start talking about some of them. So we're gonna start off with the magnetic mount. This magnetic mount has 6 magnets on the bottom. So it's holding on to whatever you put it onto really hard. So the cap lock system, how it works is that you have lock and unlock here. So when it's locked, you cannot press that button in, but when it's unlocked, then you can press it in and remove the 1/4 inch mount, which could be connected to one camera, and then you have your action camera and simply just bang it on straight away, lock it, and it's not going anywhere. You have one system for all your mounts and for all your action cameras or small DLRS or mirrorless cameras on there securely. It's not going to fall out, it's holding in there, and you know it's going to be safe. If you have many cameras like I do, the Canon camera, DJI, GoPro, you can put all these mounts on there and you're going to have an interchangeable mounting system for all your cameras using one system. Now they all have adjustable heads. Alright, so with the magnetic one, it's simply you just undo here and then you can move everything around to the position that you want it in, then lock it off, and there you go, you are ready to go with that mount. It also comes with a GoPro helmet mount system. It has the standard action camera mount like we all know, goes onto a helmet, so they call this the helmet mount. Same, once again, you can adjust it to all the ways that you want it to, and it clips into your helmet and you know it's going to be safe and secure all of the time. It is not going anywhere because of that great mounting system. If you like mounting your cameras on cars but you go, gee, that's you know, I was very worried at doing that at the start, it also comes in a 3-cup suction cup mount for vehicles, and it holds on fast. I mean, what's better than having 3 mounts on your car, on your windshield of your car, and then you got your camera on that? You know it's not going to go anywhere. These suction cups are absolutely amazing. They work so well, and you literally, just like any other suction cup, put it down and then press the button and it sucks the air out of it and it is stuck on there. Once again, you have the adjustable head to put it whatever way that you want, and you still have the amazing cap lock system to put on and off. So you've got the 3 suction cup one, but you also have a single suction cup one as well, and it does the exact same thing. Suctions on and it holds on. Like, look at this, it's holding on really, really well. One of my favorite accessories from PGYTEC is the handlebar mount. Now, I do a lot of motorbike riding, yep, a lot of it, and I have struggled to try and find a mount that, one, I feel safe on putting my cameras on, and 2, I know it's going to stand up to the test of time. Now, have a look at this clip just here. Now, I've got the GoPro Hero 12 and the DJI Action 4 on a dual mount on this mount, and you look at it go, like, it's holding on. Like, there's a bit of movement in there, you can see it, because I was going through some horrendous terrain to really push those camera stabilizations, and it held up. And I mean, like, I was jumping on it, going around the track, the trails, and it held on. It did not move from where I clamped it on. So the handlebar mount is one of my favorite mounts altogether. Now, we also have the neck mount as well. Neck mount gives you that really great POV shot, and it is absolutely amazing. It is so good. It's adjustable, you can bend it, you can use it, you can hook it on things, whatever you want to do, it's going to stay in there, and it feels nice around your neck, and it doesn't feel like it's going to get any loose. or it's going to fall off. And also comes with straps, so then it turns it into like a chest mount. You can actually strap it in so it's not flapping around or anything like that, and it's staying in that beautiful POV shot that you have from the neck mount. We also have the action camera tripod extendable mount as well. Now it has a cold shoe on it as well, so you can put on an external microphone, and it also has adjustable ball head, so you can adjust the head where you want it to be just by a turn of a knob, and then it's on. It also has the tripod legs, so then you can stand it up and sit it down wherever you need to be, and it extends out. Now that's obviously not a huge extension like we have seen with other ones, but this is more than enough to get that perfect talking head shot while you're walking around and vlogging. Plus you've got the cold shoe on here as well, so then that you're going to get that great audio. I absolutely love it. I've used it and I think it is absolutely terrific. Now, one of my other favorite, and I've left this one to last because it is my #1 favorite. The bike mount, the handlebar mount, I absolutely love because I do motorbike riding, but the Mantis Pod Z is the one that I have used the most. I travel in between home and work, and I film at home and I film at work. So I have my studio at home that has all my lights and rigs and everything like that. But when I come to work, I'm bringing heaps of stuff with me to work so I can get everything set up. And I'm bringing extra tripods, I'm bringing stands and everything like that just to sit my camera on. Now I use a Canon R10, which is not a very big camera and it doesn't weigh a lot. But the Mantis Pod Z is an absolute game changer for me to be able to do my videos. I'm using it right now. It is a multifunctional tripod, just like those ones that you can extend out and change the angle of them and everything like that. That's what this one is, but it has a built-in tripod legs and also has a little flap under one of the legs that you can actually hook over a wall, a TV monitor, or anything like that to be able to set it up somewhere so you can use it out and about, or if you want to get top-down shots or anything like that, it is absolutely perfect. If you want to use it as a U-shape handle to get low down onto the ground to get those real slow-mo shots and get those real epic cinematic shots, it does that as well. There's so many different ways that you can use the Mantis Pod Z. It is great, and even when it's just folded up by itself, holding it like a selfie stick, it is so comfortable to hold in your hand. It is lightweight. It is made out of a really tough and thick, durable plastic that you know it's going to last. Plus it has the adjustable ball head up the top, and I am absolutely loving the PGY-TECH cap lock system. Hands down the best cross the board multi-camera system that you can get on the market today. If you're a content creator, or if you've got multiple cameras like I do and you just want that one mounting system, well then PGY-TECH cap lock system is the one for you. If you would like to pick up any of the cap lock system, I'll leave links below where you can go over to there and pick one up. There might be a coupon code or not. Everything else I'll use, there'll be links below as well. Well, that's it for me, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin, out.